Pi souls, the way which we are to walk on. We begin our journey from we should have complete and thorough information about it, then only the movement will be beneficial to us. And if we want to go from Hisar to Delhi, but we have taken the route from Hisar to Sirsa, then our movement is futile, irrespective of the speed in which we are moving, at whatever speed the car is going. It is all futile. And because of some reason you are traveling from Hisar to Sirsa and you happen to meet someone on the way who asks you to where you are going towards, and you tell him that we are going to Delhi. If that individual tells you that this is not the way to Delhi, this route will not take you to Delhi, you are moving in opposite direction towards Punjab, then that gentleman should give it a thought as to why this individual is talking like this, because according to him he is going to Delhi. But this is his own thought that he is going to Delhi, but his way is wrong. His direction is wrong. So it becomes this gentleman's duty to verify, and to verify, the easiest way is to ask someone else. And if that person also tells the same thing, but it is difficult for you to believe, then look at the map and ask, where am I standing? The map will provide the answer that you have reached Sirsa and you are 10 miles from Sirsa. Then the map also tells the same thing as that good individual in front of you, that your direction is wrong. Then what you should do? If the commuter is sensible, he will immediately take a U-turn. He will not see that I have already covered so much of route. Now what will happen to this travel that I undertook? He will immediately take a U-turn and he will correct his mistake. Similarly, devout souls are undertaking wrong practices of worship. They are on the wrong path. Those pious souls who have got wrong knowledge are going on the wrong path. This path will not lead to attainment of God. This servant is telling you that you are on the wrong path and take a U-turn. You gave some 50 to 60 kilometers far on the wrong route, and when you come to know that you have come on the wrong route, then it is your thoughtfulness to immediately return. And if you say that I have already covered so much of the route, it will go waste if I return. So this is not wisdom, it is foolishness. Similarly, if you are already worshipping a deity under a guru and some have given 5 years, some have given 10 years, 20 years, some have given 30 years, is simply futile. Today, if you come to know that you are on the wrong path, then what you should do? There is not much need to say in this. It is easy for a wise man to understand. You should immediately quit that path, should not think that I have given 20 years of my life to this worship, what about me? I have done obeisance for 30 years of this community, what about me? That has already happened, what happened to you? That has already been destroyed. You have already moved 100 kilometers away on the wrong path, now you only need to take U-turn. That is beneficial. This is only beneficial for you. Return immediately. Leave that way. Now God says, Bheda dekha jarjara aur uttar chale fadak. In earlier times there used to be a beda, canoes used to ply, there were no boats to cross the river. At that time canoes were made. You may not remember those canoes, so think of it like a small boat. The boat in which you are sitting is getting filled with water its base pad is damaged, and just next to it, a fine boat arrives. If you come to know that the boat in which we are sitting, we are going to drown as water is filling in it. So God says, भेड़ा देखा जर्जरा और उत्तर चले फड़क, डूबे थे पर उभरे. God Kabir wants to tell us that the ones who are wise, they will not do like this. They were drowning, but they will emerge with Guru's knowledge, and they immediately get off the drowning boat. It is said, we were drowning, we, our souls, would have drowned in 840 million life forms, but with true teachers' knowledge, we immediately became aware. Ekdam fadakna means terrified. Ekdam fadakke means spontaneously hop off. Just immediately hop off. That means there is not even a second's time to think over. If you are drowning and along with it there is another one, it is a good place to immediately hop off. That is said, डूबे थे पार उभरे, गुरु के ज्ञान चमक. It is said, एकदम चमक के पड़े हैं भाई, becomes immediately attentive. And और भेड़ा देखा जर्जरा. Jarjara means about to break, drown. So uttar chale fadak. So those pious souls should not make any delays in changing their guru. However far he must have gone on that way, he should immediately give it up. He is completely on the wrong path. You have gone 100 kilometers. You will have to return. Any steps you take further, they will all be wrong. You will go ahead in wrong direction.